I like camping, but sometimes when you're sleeping, you can't tell if somebody is approaching your tent or an animal is approaching your tent. So I need to create a simple project where the project detects if somebody or an animal is coming, and if they're approaching the tent, then the light starts blinking or something. So let's begin. For this project, we're going to need an Arduino, we're going to need a sensor shield, breadboard, cable, ultrasonic sensor, cables. Yeah, this is how they look. There's a difference. So this is one type that looks like that, and this is another type that looks like that. And we shall need some light, a resistor. Yeah, I'm trying to learn like what resistor type this one is. But until we learn, for now, let's just use this one. Yeah, I'm going to show you what I have on the table. So first, we're going to connect this sensor shield to Arduino board. Like that. Yeah, and now we're ready to put this ultrasonic sensor. So this one is the one that is the sensor that's going to sense the distance and calculate. And when the distance is, let's say, less than 100 centimeter, this light is going to light. But if like this, the distance become more, like maybe 101 plus, the light is going to stop lighting. Let's check the connections online. This one is for power, this one is for ground, and these ones are for information, the data that is collected. Put the power to the V, and ground, the black one, it's here, ground, and then echo. Echo is what color? Echo is orange. So we put it here. And then this one, the trigger, we're going to put here. So the next thing we need to connect is the light onto this board, and then it goes from here to here. Yeah, how do we do that? Apparently, LED lights have legs. Yeah, so we are going to connect. As you can see, this is the long leg and this is the short leg. So we're going to connect the short leg to ground and this long leg to the resistor. That. And then the resistor goes from here to somewhere there. And then the ground, the short leg, and this one, I'm going to put it there. And as you can see here, we can't put them like this because these are spikes and these are spikes. So we need this kind of cable, yellow part. I mean, you can connect on any, but I just like to connect the same colors so that it's going to be easier for me. So let's connect this cable. And since we don't have black here, we can connect this one there. So now we know the black one is ground. Not the black one, the green one on this one is ground. So where's ground? Oh, as you can see here, ground. So let's connect to pin 4. I mean, you can connect to any, but let's connect to pin 4, ground, yeah. And then the yellow one, we connect it to also pin 4 there. So they look like that. We're going to connect here the power cable and connect the power cable to the computer. Now, it's lit up. Yeah, so we need code. We need to create code from ChatGPT. We have the code from ChatGPT. Now let's copy and paste it in Arduino IDE. There's so many errors. We have to fix them. Oh, the port is grayed out? Why? We have to check that online. Oh, it's because I had not inserted the power cable very well. That's why it was not reading the port. Problem solved. Now we can go to the next steps. Okay, let's see if this code is working. Oh, it's working. Woo! Yay! The code is working. I'm going to use this ice cream plastic to carry the project outside. So the batteries are going to be down there, and maybe the project is going to stand there, and so I'm going to take out the cable because outside I'm not going to carry the computer, and or maybe yeah, like that. Yeah, so we are going to test our project when we go outside camping.